Are you a big film watcher? Do you kind of diagnose with the film as well, or?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely. Every day, this whole camp, I've been looking at film, which is I'm to the point where I'm just like, oh my gosh, I've seen myself over and over again. It's ridiculous, but I needed that. There are times where I missed, and I thought those were very helpful times.
From a distance, it looked like you had amazing chemistry with DeShone Kizer as your holder. What for a kicker? How much of an adjustment, especially when the new holder is got shorter arms?
Well, I mean, I don't even think about that because it's just a matter of trust. If I can trust whoever's holding for me, that's all it takes. It's my confidence and my ability to believe in myself, but also, Scott and Montgomery Van Gorder. So now that I know what they're capable of doing, after seeing them do mental reps and over again and talking to them, I trust them, they trust me, that's all that matters.
We've only seen 2 practices where you kicked,
right,
and you happened to miss in those 2 practices. So, as opposed to those 2 practices, how was the camp portion, the 15, gone for you?
Definitely it's gone a lot better this week. I know last week I was just explaining it. I was working a lot of my form, routine, because I knew I was off somewhere. So that's all I've been working on. I haven't been thinking about making or missing the kicks at all. So because that's what matters in the games. And so I feel like at this point I've come to a solid point where I can say I'm very confident. It's just a matter of getting ready for Texas now. I just got to be in that routine over and over again and repeat myself.
You had a couple of early struggles last year before not missing anything over the last 9 games. I mean, when you missed a couple of extra points, a field goal here or there, what turned it around for you last year, and do you use that as a reference point for what's transpired this last month?
No, I don't, because every game, every little kick, every one kick is different. I don't use it as a reference point, but what happened with last year, I would say, is I didn't have the confidence that I do now. That's the big key, is being able to trust one another, my teammates, Scott Daly and Montgomery Van Gorder now. So I think that's the biggest key.
When did you get over that confidence hurdle last year to put up the streak?
I would say roughly around Clemson, definitely. It took me a while. It took me 4 games. I was struggling a bit, and I was like, wow, 100 people, now I have 80,000 looking at me. That's a big difference. But after just going through a couple games, I thought, hey, it's not so bad anymore. So.
Hitting that field goal in the monsoon against Clemson, was that the hurdle that
I guess it was.
If I can do this, I can do anything.
Yeah, I guess it was. I mean, big monsoon around, and I have to kick a field goal. So if I can do that, I guess nothing else, everything else isn't as bad as that.